Hey, what is going on? Real quick, I wanted to make a video to show you how to remove fishing line that is tangled around your trolling motor prop. I have a Minn Kota trolling motor on my Carolina skiff, and the other day was out fishing and ended up getting some line wrapped around pretty good that took it out of commission until I was able to get back into the dock. So I wanted to make a video to show you how easily it is to take care of, so that unlike me, you can stay on the water and fish as long as you have all the proper tools to remove the bolt and washer. Again, super easy, doesn't require much, and again, takes only a matter of a few minutes that you'll be able to get back in the water. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor, hit that like button, and please share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching.